So okay, let's start uh, information about GATE 2022. So GATE means Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. So eh, both engineering and science student can give this exam. So first important thing that the exam will be on February 2022 and will be computer based exam and totally objective type. There will be MCQ, MSQ, and NET like JAM exam. And who are eligible? This is third year student or higher year of undergraduate. They are allowed for the GATE exam and no age limit. And the GATE scorecard will be valid 3 years from the date of announcement of the result. And depending on COVID-19 situation, the exam schedule may be changed. Okay, this is the basic information. So now what is the exam pattern of GATE exam? Exam mode will be computer based CBT like JAM, duration 3 hours, and there will be two sections: general aptitude and candidate select subject. For physics is the subject, and there will be uh, type of question, that is MCQ type questions and multi select questions and numerical answer type questions. Okay, so number of questions, there will be 65 questions. Total number of questions 65. 10 questions for general aptitude and 15 for subject question. And the marks distribution for general aptitude, total marks is 100. Okay, total marks 100. And for general aptitude, this is 15 marks, and for subject question this is 85 marks. And the questions carries 1 marks and 2 marks, and negative marking is 30% of the marks. So for 1 marks questions, MCQ 1 by 3, this will be negative mark, and 2 by 3 for the 2 marks questions. Now introduction. So GATE is organized by ISC Bangalore and other 7 IITs, and you can go for GATE for admission and financial assistance, and this is for also for doctoral PhD in arts and science. So and many public sector units has been using GATE score for recruitment. So our GATE exam happens in February, uh, Saturday and Sunday, 5th, 6th, or 12 and 13. These are the date. So the GATE result will be valid till 3 years. So the scholarship and for getting to any postgraduate degree. So 70% marks weightage will be from GATE performance, and the rest will be based on the test and interview and academic records. Okay, so GATE score, using GATE score for employment, that will take uh, BHEL, GAIL, HAL, IOCL, NTPC, NPCIL, ONGC, and PCB, um, and also and some important dates. This is also examinations will be on such dates, and the result will be published on 17 March. So 1 month it will take to announce the result. So another important point is that the admit card of GATE 2022 will be available in only IIT Kharagpur website, and also physical calculator will be provided in the exam center. So now eligibility criteria. So for MSc, or this is master degree in any branch of science, arts, mathematics, statistics, computer science or equivalent. And for BSc, bachelor degree in any branch of science, arts, commerce, 3 years program. And for integrated MSc PhD, it also 5 years. And information about admit cards. Admit cards only be can be downloaded from Gate 20 from the website IIT Kharagpur on from 3rd January 2022, and candidate must have to bring a printout of the download admit card on A4 size paper and with some verification ID proof. Okay, original. And candidate will be provided a virtual calculator on the exam hall and a scribble pad provided for rough works. So after examinations over, so qualified candidate can download scorecard, and after examination, a response sheet will be available in GATE website, and you can see that, and after that, all this procedure will happen. So syllabus for the exam, the first thing is that general aptitude. So this is verbal aptitude and quantitative aptitude. This all you need to know from here. Quantitative aptitude, analytic aptitude. So spatial aptitude. Okay. So one, two, three, four things you need to know. Verbal aptitude. This is English grammar. English grammar. So first of all, basic English grammar. Okay. So the tense, article, adjective, preposition, conjunction, verbal noun, agreement, and other part of his basic vocabulary. I mean words, idioms, phrase. Okay. So this is verbal aptitude. This is English grammar and basic vocabulary, idioms, and other things. And other is quantitative aptitude. This is uh, by bar graph, pie chart, other graph respective with data. Okay. So this is data graphs. Okay. So data graph and 2 and 3 dimensional plot, map, table, numerical computations, estimation. The estimations, ratio, percentage, power, exponents, logarithm, permutation and combination, and series, and menu mensurations and geometry, entity, statistics, and probability. Okay, this is all in quantitative aptitude. Okay, analytical aptitude. This is logic things. The deduction, introduction, analogy, numerical relations, and reasoning. And the spatial aptitude. This is uh, transformation of shapes. So how these things all things happen. So like this verbal aptitude, you can see that these are the questions. Okay, so in so first of all, verbal, quantitative, analytic, and spatial. So these are the verbal questions, and quantitative aptitudes. These types of questions, and then analytical aptitudes, or such types of questions will be there, and at the list, uh, spatial aptitudes. Okay, and such kind of questions will be there. Now the physics syllabus is there. Uh, so first section mathematical physics, then classical mechanics, then electromagnetic theory, 4 quantum mechanics, 5 thermodynamics and statistical mechanics, 6 atomic and molecular physics, 7 solid state physics, 8 electronics, 9 nuclear physics, and nuclear and particle physics. Okay, so these 9 things. So in mathematical physics, the vector calculus, the linear vector space, basis, orthogonality, completeness, matrix, similar transformation, similarity transform, diagonalization, eigenvalue, eigenvector, linear differential equation, second order linear differential equation, solution and involving special functions, complex analysis, Cauchy-Riemann conditions and Cauchy theorem, singularities, residue theorem application. And next, the Laplace transformation, Fourier analysis, elementary idea about tensors, uh, tensors, uh, covariant and quantavariate tensor. So next in class, so in a nutshell, so linear vector space, this is one thing. Okay, uh, now linear differential equations. Okay, this is second, and this also includes special function. And the third one, the complex analysis. Complex analysis, it includes CR conditions, singularities, and residual, and other things. And then Laplace transformation, Fourier transformation, and another thing is that tensor. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things: linear vector space, linear differential equation, complex analysis, Laplace, and tensors. Okay, so in classical mechanics, this is Lagrangian formulation and the special theory of relativity. Okay, in Lagrangian formulation, this is D'Alembert's principle, Euler-Lagrange equation, Hamilton's principle, calculus of variation, symmetry and conservation law, central force, Kepler problem, Rutherford scattering, small oscillation, coupled oscillation, normal modes, rigid body dynamics, inertial tensor, orthogonal transformation, Euler angle, torque free motions, symmetric top, Hamilton and Hamiltonian and Hamilton's equation of motion, Liouville's theorem, canonical transformation, action angle variables, Poisson-Bracket, Hamilton-Jacobi's equation. And in special relativity, this is Lorentz transformation, relativistic kinematics, and mass energy equivalent. So total Lagrangian and Hamiltonian, and the special theory of relativity. So this is the syllabus of classical mechanics. And for now, electromagnetic theory, the solution of electrostatics, magnetostatics problem, including boundary values problem and method of image separation of variables, dielectric and conductors. And now the second part is magnetic materials, the multiple expansion. The third one, Maxwell equations and potentials, Lorentz gauge, vector potential, Coulomb's and Lorentz gauge, electromagnetic wave, and this is Maxwell equations and electromagnetic wave in free space. Note this: in free space, in conducting space, non-conducting space, and conducting medium, reflection and transmissions in Norman and oblique indices, and polarization of electromagnetic wave, and Poynting vector, Poynting theorem, energy and momentum of electromagnetic wave, radiation from the moving charge. Okay, this is a new part. So radiation from the charge particle. So first of all, electrostatics. This is magnetostatics, then Maxwell equation, and electromagnetic wave in conducting, non-conducting, and free medium, and then polarization of electromagnetic wave and radiation from moving charge particle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 part. And now in quantum mechanics, so basic postulate of quantum mechanics. This also includes uncertainty principle, Schrodinger postulate, and now then Schrodinger equation, bracket notations, linear vector space operator, Hilbert space. Another thing, this is mathematical part, and then one-dimensional problem, step potential, finite rectangular potential, tunneling from potential barrier, particle in box, harmonic oscillator, 2 and 3 dimensional system, concept of degeneracy, hydrogen atom. So this is another part, hydrogen atom, angular momentum, and additional angular momentum. And this another part is that variational method and WKB approximation and time independent perturbation theory. So and then elementary scattering theory and Bohr theory, Born approximation, symmetric in quantum mechanics. So first first one postulate of quantum mechanics, then Schrodinger equation and mathematical background formation, then uh, Schrodinger equation application in 1 dimension and 2 dimensions, 3 dimensions, then hydrogen atom angular momentum, additional angular momentum, variational method, and perturbation theory, and elementary scattering theory. Now in thermodynamics, so thermodynamics, laws of thermodynamics, macroscale, microstates, phase space, ensembles, partition functions, free energy, calculation of thermodynamical quantities, classical and quantum statistics, degenerate, Fermi gas, black body radiation and Planck distribution, Bose-Einstein condensation, first and second order, phase transition and phase equilibrium and critical point. So this is basically statistical mechanics almost. First of all, laws of thermodynamics, this one, and then start the statistical mechanics. This is the basic statistical mechanics. Uh, Macro scale, micro scale, phase, ensemble, partition functions, free energy, and now calculation of thermodynamical quantities. This is another part, and then classical statistics, quantum statistics, and degeneracy. That is quantum include degenerate Fermi gas, black body radiation, Planck distribution, and now finally Bose-Einstein uh, condensations, and first and second order phase transitions and phase equilibrium. And in section 6, the atomic and molecular physics. This is spectra of one and many electron atoms, orbit, LS and JJ coupling, fine structure, hyperstructures, Zeeman and Stark effect, electric dipole transitions, selection rule, rotation, vibration spectrum, diatomic molecules, electronic transition and diatomic molecules, Frankel Condon principle, Raman effect, and EPR, NMR, ESR, X-ray spectrum, laser Einstein coefficients, 2 and 3 level systems. And so spectra in 1 dimension, Zeeman effect, and the coupling principle and other effects. Okay, then solid state physics, that with elements of crystallography, diffraction method for structural determination, bond in solid, lattice vibration, thermal properties of solid. So then thermal properties of solid, free electron theory, band theory of solid, uh, nearly free electron and tight binding models, metals, semiconductor, insulators, conductivity, mobility, effective mass, optical properties of solid, KP model, uh, sorry, uh, Kramers-Kronig relations, intra and interband transition, dielectric properties of solids, so optical property, then dielectric properties of solid, dielectric function, polarizability, ferroelectricity, magnetic properties of solid, then magnetic properties of solid, di, para, ferro, antiferro, ferrimagnetic, domain, and magnetic anisotropy, and then superconductivity, type 1, type 2 superconductivity, uh, and Meissner effect, London equation, BCS theory, flux quantization. So first of all, first thing elemental crystallography, second thermal property of solid, this is also include band theory and others, then third optical theory, fourth dielectric property of solid, five magnetic properties of solid, six superconductivity. So this six in solid state physics. And now in electronics, this is semiconductor in equilibrium. So electrons and hole statistics in intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors, metal superconductor junction, ohmic and rectifying contacts, PN junction diode, so semiconductor PN junction diode, bipolar junction transistor, diode, transistors, uh, FET, FET, field effect transistor, and now oscillators, op amp, operational amplifier, op amp, active and filters, filter basic of digital, and now digital logic circuit, and combinational and sequential circuit, also flip flops, timer, counters, register, analog to digital, digital to analog conversions. So all of these things. So first of all, semiconductor, basic semiconductor things. So then diode, then transistor, then FET, then oscillators, then op amp, then filters, then digital logic circuits, and then combinational circuit and sequential circuit, that is flip flop, timer, counter. So 8 things, and analog digital and digital analog conversion. In 9 part, the nuclear physics and particle physics, nuclear radius charge distribution. So basic of nuclear physics, these are electric and magnetic moment. Now semi-empirical mass formula and nuclear models. These are liquid up model, nuclear shell model, and nuclear force, and 2 nucleon problem, and alpha decay, beta decay, electromagnetic transition in nuclei, and then Rutherford scattering, nuclear reactions, conversions, conservation laws, fusion and fissions, particle accelerator, detectors, elementary particles, photons, baryons. So they are start the particle physics. So particle, elementary particles, the photons, baryons, mesons, lepton, quark model, and then quark model, and particle physics, the quark model, the conservation law, isotropy, symmetry, charge conjugation, parity, and time reversal. So this all. So total 9 chapter of this course. So mathematical physics, classical mechanics second, third electromagnetic theory, fourth quantum mechanics, fifth thermodynamics, thermodynamics and statistical mechanics. This is fifth, and sixth atomic and molecular physics, seven solid state physics, 8 electronics, and 9 nuclear and particle physics. So that's all for the from the information voucher. So good. Okay.